Hello there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew. Today I'll be sharing a layout which I created with a new stamp set from Altenew which is called Baroque Motifs. Now this is a really fun set because there are 3 parts to it. You get the stamp set and the coordinating die, and you can also buy a coordinating mask. Now this is fun to use because you can use it all by itself, but you can also use it in combination with the stamp set. And there are inner pieces, and here you can see the outer piece which I'll be using on my layout, but the inner pieces are great for masking off already stamped images if you want to create like layered parts to your stamped image. So what I'm going to do is I've just taken some smooth cardstock and I've taken a lovely light pink color. This one is Pink Diamond, and I've taken a finger dauber, but you can use any blender, and I'm just blending the color onto my white cardstock using the mask. I use tape just to make sure the mask doesn't move while I'm blending. And when I'm happy with the finished result, I can start adding some detail. And this is where the fun starts, because you only get the detailed part in the stamp. But if you use the mask, you can create a base color and then add a bit of detail. So I used pink diamond for the base image, which I added with the mask. And I'm going to use pink diamond once again for the stamped image. But because I was blending at first, the color is a lot lighter, and so when I add the detail, it's a bit darker, but just slightly, so it's not too harsh. It's very subtle, but you do still see that lovely detail of the stamp. These stamps are really super easy to line up, and they are so pretty and so detailed and fine. I will be using these a lot in the future. I love this swirl. Once I've finished with that, I can start creating my embellishments. And for my embellishments, I'm going to use a really pretty flower. I will mention that there is a coordinating die, so if you wanted to, you could just cut out these images. For my embellishments, I'm going to create some pretty flowers in 2 sizes, and I'm using the Ethereal Beauty set, which is one of my favorites because it's really easy to line up. I'm going to start stamping the base color once again, which is in Pink Diamond. I'm going to stamp 2 large flowers and 3 smaller ones, and I'll also stamp a couple of leaves. So once I have finished stamping all my embellishments, all I have to do is cut them out with the coordinating dies, and then I can start working on my layout. The first thing I'm going to do is just pop those flowers onto that swirly background just to see how it looks, and I think it looks really pretty and it just makes that photo stand out even more. And once I've finished with that, I'm going to start adding other elements like a pretty bold pattern paper from the Reflection Scrapbook collection, and also some other papers just to make that photo pop out. I used the dotty washi tape and also some pattern papers from the black and white 6x6 paper pad from Altenew. Then all I have to do is add a couple of finishing touches like some circles in that same dotted washi tape, some sentiments, and also a title using the floral alphabet set and some leftover alphabet stickers. And there you have it. That's the almost finished layout. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you find something you like in the new release, and I'm sure you will. If you have any comments or any questions, just pop them in the comment section. And if you need any more information, just visit the Altenew Scrapbook blog. Thank you so much for listening and watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.